I come back to the question, sir, that do you agree with the law minister that a government representative should be part of the collegium?
See, I don't have to agree with him at all. The question is, you please make a system. Sit amongst yourself and make a system. Whether you want the government over there or you don't want the government over there. But if you don't want the government over there, then mind you, you are the ones who are appointing yourself. Is it ever done anywhere in the world? Anywhere in the world, or in any organization, in any country, in any democracy, can you keep on appointing yourself? It's just not done. You must have some kind of you must respect the Constitution at least. The Constitution did not give you this right, but you grabbed it by a judgment. Say 1 judgment, 2 judgment, 3 judgment. You may have 40 judgments of your own. But that doesn't make you right. So the system has to change. That's a collegium business.
When the Supreme Court Collegium released details last week of the IB and RNAW reports about certain senior lawyers who they had, nominated for judgeships in high courts, including Saurabh Kripal, whose grounds were flagged as, because he's gay, he has a Swiss partner, therefore there was a red flag raised by the RNAW about him. Another judge, the Intelligence Bureau said, well, he shared an article that was critical of the Prime Minister, so that was cited as a reason not to appoint him as a judge. Now, the Supreme Court put that into public domain last week. What did you think of that move? Was that the right step? Should they do it in all cases?
Firstly, I thought it was, no. I thought it was a shameful thing for the Supreme Court to have done that. You have exposed the judge, you have exposed the agencies, and are you sure it's the full thing and it's not a selective leak? I don't know. Just these lines were the objections. I am doubtful.
No, but these lines, even if one was to see them in isolation,
the government is wrong.
They were problematic. But that apart, sir, the principle of putting it out in public domain, since the government has been asking for transparency and so has the legal fraternity, was this the right step?
Transparency can't be only from one side, only from one side. This may be the objection of the government, which may be wrong. All right, this may be correct, but there are hundreds of other cases in which they have rejected. What about disclosing all those also? You disclose everything then, and also let us have before you appoint the judge, please disclose the IB report, the intelligence reports. Disclose them all into public domain, and then we'll see.
So you're saying don't be selective about it. You can't be selective
like this and say. What, don't be selective about it. At least have a system. I'm saying again and again, please have a system which is transparent, which is credible. These are judges that are going to decide your future. As it is, they can't decide. It takes 10 years for a case to be decided, or 5 years for a case to be decided. The Supreme Court itself can't decide on good issues. They're just hanging over there, and they are saying we are appointing everybody on merit. If it were on merits, things would have been much better.